First, locate the center of your stretchy wrap. Place the wrap around your body like a tube top and cross the rest of the fabric behind you. Raise the ends of the wrap above your head and give a tug to each end, like drying your back with a towel. Gather the ends and bring them through your tube top. Now make sure you've allowed enough room for your baby. Cross your wrap in front of your stomach and tie it into a secure knot. Gather your fabric into an X, and now your carrier is prepared for baby. Bring your baby's leg through the inner piece of the wrap first. Then do the same for the other leg. Spread the fabric across baby's entire back, ensuring that baby is supported by the carrier knee to knee. Now bring the third pass over baby's legs and up their back. Now let's do some safety checks. Your carrier should be tight enough to prevent baby from slumping. Make sure your baby's face is in view at all times. Keep your baby's chin off of their chest. Baby should be close enough to kiss without strain. Ensure that baby's knees are above their bottom by pushing up on their feet. Support baby's round back.